Tata Motors have announced the commencement of the production of their much-awaited Safari SUV for the Indian market. The first Tata Safari SUV has rolled out the production line from the brand's facility in Pune, Maharashtra. Alongside the first SUV rollout, Tata Motors have also revealed the final design of the upcoming 7-seater SUV for the Indian market. The new Tata Safari is scheduled to go on sale in India on the 26th of January, with bookings for the same expected to start in the coming days. Apart from the final design reveal and the rollout of the first Tata Safari SUV, the company has also announced the introduction of the Tata Safari Imaginator. Customers of the Tata Safari can now experience the entire SUV virtually using augmented reality (AR) from any preferred location. The new virtual feature also comes with a host of interactive elements to make the experience more engaging for customers. Talking about the Tata Safari itself, the new 7-seater SUV from the brand will be positioned above its 5-seater Harrier sibling, making it Tata Motors' latest flagship model. The Tata Safari uses the Omega architecture while also following the brand's latest Impact 2.0 design language. Some of the key exterior styling features and equipment on the upcoming Tata Safari include the LED projector headlamp setup, tri-arrow mesh grille, wraparound LED taillight connected by a gloss black element. The SUV also features flared wheel arches with stylish alloy wheels, a stepped roof, Safari moniker on the boot lid, and a panoramic sunroof, to name a few. Moving inside, the new Safari SUV comes with a new oyster white cabin with ash wood trims on the dashboard. The Safari will feature individual captain seats in the second row, while also featuring automatic climate control, a large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a semi-digital instrument console, leatherette seat upholstery, and plenty more. The Tata Safari might also come with the brand's latest IRA connected technology, along with a few other features such as Express Cool, Watt 3-word navigation, and voice commands. Finally, coming to the powertrain, the new Tata Safari SUV will come packed by a single 2-litre diesel engine. It produces 172 brake horsepower and 350 Nm of peak torque and is mated either to a 6-speed manual or automatic transmission unit. Thank you for watching DRIVESPARK. Like, share, and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings in the auto industry.